Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Me and my angels day to day stuff. Today I am going to show you raw carrot pickle. The ingredients required are 4 carrots, 2 medium sized lemons, zira, mustard seeds, garlic, hing, red chili powder, salt and pinch of roasted zira and fenugreek powder. First, we need to grate the carrot and take it into a bowl. Cut the lemon and squeeze the juice into the bowl. And next add pinch of roasted jeera fenugreek powder and mix it well. First heat the pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it be heat for some time. And then add jeera seeds, mustard seeds and also black gram seeds to enhance the taste. Friends, don't forget to add black gram seeds. Now add garlic paste and roast it well. Now off the flame and add hing, turmeric and chili powder, salt. Heat of the pan is enough to roast these. If you don't off the flame, the chili powder will burn. Let it be cool for some time. And now add this mixture into the grated carrot and mix it well. Yummy carrot pickle is ready. You can also try this same procedure with ridge gourd, bottle gourd, cabbage.